I'm here with one question for you. What is the best certifications or certificate to become a data scientist? Just think on it and just tell me or write on a piece of paper which certification will help you to become a data scientist. If you ask me this question, my answer is there is no particular certification which will help you to become a data scientist. Because the market trends are changing day by day. The reality is that certification doesn't matter for a data scientist. This is not going to account as techniques and programs and algorithms are going to change day by day. The companies or organizations are working on real life problems. The problems are challenging, data are messy, and there are various techniques, algorithms can be used to solve it. If you're thinking on it, which certification will help you to become a data scientist? Then don't think on it. Simply start playing with the data and the programming language that you like, the programming language of your passion. Work on random data, play with numerous algorithms. So that is definitely going to help you. Start applying what you know and play with some interesting problems. Turn these explorations, learning experiences into solving real life problems and channel them to find the new job opportunities as per the market. Try to find out few data sheets online. Try to find out few problems of the projects from the online. Try to play with some of the online codings and try to finish some projects based on it. This will help you to succeed and become a data scientist. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, or you can add your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching this video and giving your precious time.